Welcome to Life on Beagle Road and our second video in the Love Your Home Challenge series. Why am I wearing a fluffy bunny suit? Kenny and I have been outside all day the past 2 days building fences, and I am exhausted. As you can see, it is dark, but I've got to get started on the dining room or it is going to remain cluttered forever. So I've showered and I'm in my super warm, comfy PJs because I am still cold from being outside. Our dining room isn't just for eating. It's definitely not a formal dining room. It is a craft station, a building station. It's a homework station. We pretty much do everything in here. We have a really nice island that Kenny built, so I don't like to do a lot of stuff out there. I'll do it in here on the IKEA table. I definitely want to get the craft stuff more organized in here. I think that will give the kids better access to it. And if they've got better access to it, they will use it and put it away and not whine about it, right? Right. Almost just put this with the glue sticks, but it is in fact a sunscreen stick. That belongs in a different room. All right, all of the craft stuff is cleaned up and off the windowsill. I can barely keep my eyes open, so I'm gonna go to bed instead of falling asleep here in the dining room. But if I get up early enough tomorrow, we will even be able to eat breakfast at the dining room table. Woohoo! You know, for the first time since Christmas. So I'm a little more together tonight. I'm at least not wearing my psychotic Easter Bunny PJs. Dining room's going well. I'll show you the updates here in a minute. I'm gonna finish it tonight. Kenny says I have to, so he can get out the next video. So I'm gonna do it. First, I have some super fun stuff here in the dining room that I wanted to take a minute and show you. One of my favorite things about being on YouTube and Instagram are the really talented people that we've met. Like Kernita Hurd, who makes these really amazing Kate and Eli soaps. She sent me some samples last month. I love them, so I had to order some more. Woohoo! This one's my favorite, chocolate mudslide. Look, that's a little piggy in a mudslide. Little piggy. Our friends at Heavenly Dreams Dairy Goats sent us a sample of their goat's milk soap too, and it smells amazing. Oh my goodness, what scent is this? Black raspberry vanilla. Oh my gosh, smells amazing. Seriously, I can eat this. I mean, I won't. I will shower with it. Oh, it smells so good. I'll put the link to both of their sites in the description to this video because nothing is better than handmade soap. Oh, it smells so good. This makes me want a chocolate mudslide. Okay, let me put these in the move to another room pile so nobody gets their hands on these. My little craft cabinet came out great. In fact, the kids have been in here almost every night making crafts without making a huge mess. Yay! Easy access to washable paints. Some sticker mosaics that we're gonna be doing all weekend if we're snowed in. This is my serving dish cabinet, which I often think is a little excessive, but then on New Year's Eve I needed so many serving dishes, so I'm keeping them. But I need to straighten it up a little bit so I can get an extra pitcher in here. Actually, this is a Christmas dish that needs to go back in the kitchen. Ta-da! Kenny and I found found this piece of furniture at a resale shop a couple years ago and refinished it. It's one of my favorite pieces in the house, but I tend to just shove everything in it. In my defense, these are things that belong in a dining room. Somebody's been watching Marie Kondo. The dining room is done. It was more challenging than I expected. There's a lot more stuff shoved in here than I thought, but in my defense, it was all stuff that belonged in the dining room. There was very little to take to other rooms. I think next I'm gonna go on to one of the kids' rooms. I'd planned to do the living room and family rooms next month, but I feel like the kids' rooms are causing me a lot of grief and are the root of a lot of why I can't keep up with anything. I bet I'll find lots more interesting things in those rooms. So stay tuned, let me know how your Love Your Home challenge is going. And if you're just finding this video for the first time, it is not too late to start. Let's get decluttering.